Hi guys, I see you're back. Well, this website has three important goals. The first one, it helps you understand exactly what SMART therapy is. Two, it helps you learn about asthma. Three, it helps you understand why your doctor recommended SMART. Here we have the website, looks really nice, and here are a few bulletins for patients like you and me. The first one, it tells you about asthma. The second explains exactly what SMART is. Over here we have a bulletin specifically for healthcare professionals. Right here, we have your resources, asthma action plan, videos on SMART to help you understand it more, and terms and definitions. Right here, it tells you about CHEST. It explains the study, the team. You get to learn everybody that's behind it and the collaborators. And right here, it explains to you how you can contact them. And if you ever get lost on the website, just refer back to the CHEST and you'll come back to the home page.